The values of enthalpies at the stator inlet and the rotor outlet of a hydraulic turbo machine stage are H1 and H3 respectively. The enthalpy at the stator outlet or the rotor inlet is H2. The condition H2 minus H1 is equal to H3 minus H2 indicates that the degree of reaction of this stage is, so we need to find the degree of reaction of the hydraulic turbo machine when H2 minus H1 is equal to H3 minus H2. So the degree of reaction of hydraulic turbo machine is, it can be defined as, so let's say DOR is equal to enthalpy drop in the rotor divided by the enthalpy drop in rotor plus enthalpy drop in stator. So let's write here enthalpy drop in rotor divided by the enthalpy drop in rotor plus enthalpy drop in stator. So I'm just writing stator here in the bracket. Okay, so the meaning of this statement is enthalpy drop in rotor plus enthalpy drop in stator. Now in the problem it's given enthalpy at the stator inlet is H1. So let's write here. So the given information are enthalpy at the stator inlet is H1. Now enthalpy at the stator outlet, this is given as H2, and enthalpy at the rotor outlet is H3. Okay, so these are the information given, and one more condition is given that H2 minus H1 should be equal to H3 minus H2. So for this stage we need to find the degree of reaction. Okay, so this is also given in the problem. So we can write enthalpy drop in rotor as, so enthalpy drop in rotor, so what will be it? This will be H2 minus H3, right? And enthalpy drop in stator will be what? This will be H1 minus H2. Now according to the definition of degree of reaction, we can write DOR will be equal to enthalpy drop in rotor, so H2 minus H3 whole divided by enthalpy drop in rotor plus enthalpy drop in stator. So H2 minus H3 plus enthalpy drop in stator, that is H1 minus H2. Now let this be equation number 2 and this one be equation number 1. This is the condition given in the problem. So if we substitute equation number 1 in this equation, so DOR, that is degree of reaction, we can write H2 minus H3 divided by 2 times of H2 minus H3, and this will be equal to 1 by 2 or 0.5. So the degree of reaction will be in percentage, it is 50%. Now let's go back to the problem and choose the correct option. So the condition H2 minus H1 is equal to H3 minus H2 indicates that the degree of reaction of this stage is option B, 50%. To get more knowledge on this topic, you can refer to the NPTEL course lecture number 29, degrees of reaction and efficiency of hydraulic turbine, on principles of hydraulic machines and system design by Professor P.K. Mondal of the Department of Mechanical Engineering at IIT Guwahati.